Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic components of the Canva application. Here you have for you, these things here are for you. Sounds funny, right? And the social media presentations, video, and so on and so forth. Then this is the home button here, and this is the home background. In this background, you see your recent designs. The designs you've made so far will be here for you. Okay. Canva saves your design. If you click this see all, you see all of them. Then it has some of the things you might like to try out here. In case you want to choose any of them, you can choose from here and then you begin whatever you want to do. Then it has some other features, Instagram posts, flyers, posters, your stories. These are templates where you can choose from. Then down here you have your projects, the projects you've done so far. These are my designs here. Then these are other things pertaining to me. Okay, if you want to buy the Canva app for the full enjoyment of the features, you can come to this, then you upgrade. Then menu has to do with your profile. I used to register it. Okay, let's go to the home button. If you want to create something new, you come to this button here. Okay, that's the simplest place you can go. You can choose any of them here and then you delete everything contained in it. Let's come to this plus button, create new. Then when you click it, you shall choose the stuff that you want to create. Maybe a mobile video, certificate, flyer, logo, phone wallpaper, resume, food menu, invitation, business card, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's take a poster, for instance. It's going to show you a template where you can choose from here. So these are templates of posters you can check. If the poster you want to mimic is not here, what you have to do is that you come to this place and then you search for it. Maybe Valentine's Day, for instance. So these are Valentine Day posters that have been made. You can choose any of them here and then you begin to edit. For instance, you can choose this one here, okay, to be added to your background and you begin to edit. So in case you want to start something new, you just have to make everything to be empty. This is the white background here. Click on the plus button, then you come to this element, you add whatever I want to add and so on. So down here you have elements. You have lines, arrows, frames, circles. These are lines here, these are graphics, these are photos. Okay, you can choose arrow, you can choose frames. Okay, anyone you choose, you just see what is content there. Then apart from the frames, you have other things here. You even have like borders or flowers. You can choose from many of the borders here. Okay, I don't know why I'm in love with this border here. You can choose this one. Yeah, you can choose it and add. It's very fantastic. You just choose and add. You've started designing something now. Okay, apart from the elements here, you have the gallery. It will take you to your file manager. Okay, your images, your videos, all combination of videos and images. Then upload everything that you've uploaded to the Canva app before. So these are the things I've used to do my work. Canva still saved them for me. Okay, photos. These photos is about the photos suggested to you by Canva. Okay, you can make use of any of them. You can make use of this photo, any of them. For instance, you can choose it. Have you seen it? Okay, you can choose it and then you edit whatever. But this is you want to create a poster, right? So you should just focus on what you want to create. Apart from the photos, you have texts. In this text, you can add your own text here, add a heading as the subheading, add a little bit of body text, or you can choose from the available ones here. Anyone you choose, you can edit. Okay. If you choose this one, you're adding everything. For instance, let's see. So this is it. This is sales. You can edit the sales. You can put another thing. You can put something like happy Valentine. Okay. Happy Valentine. You can edit it. Okay, before that, let me tell you other things that I expect to see. Apart from the text, you see styles, yeah? And the styles, if you change the style to this, your background, your text will change to possess blue, white, green, yellow, black, and blue colors. If you choose this one, it will be made up of these colors, okay? If you choose this one, it will be made up of these colors here. You have audio here, musics, you have background. These are plain colors for the background. These are pictures here for backgrounds, okay? This is a graph paper. You can also have rumpled papers or some other things. If you don't see the background you're looking for, you just come over here and then you search. Okay, let's see this background, how it will be. See, it has changed the background to a football field. You can delete it if you wish to. Apart from the background, we have emoji. We know what it is. You can add any of them. Okay, you can add any of them. Apart from the emojis, we have charts. These are mathematical charts. Okay, pictogram, pie chart, bar chart, and so we have more here. So all these things are for you. Just feel free, and then you make use of any of them. Okay. Then let's come to these ones here. First of all, when something is highlighted, these blue lines will encircle it. Okay. So let me shift this one so that we'll be seeing this. I have delete here. If you delete it, it will go out. This is the undo button. When you click it, it will come back. This is the redo button to redo what you have done before. Okay. Then let's highlight it. This is duplicate. It will make it to be true. Okay. This is the color. You can change the color to anything. There are different colors here. Okay. If you don't like any of them, you come here and add a new color that you wish. Okay, let's choose blue. This is the color of the top here. You can as well change it. Okay, the same thing, the same procedure. So these are the colors that it contains. Just change it to the one that you want. That's about colors. Then effects. In the effects, you have all these things. Okay, let's choose one and see how it will be. Let's choose this slice. Let's choose this one. You see how it is? If you don't like any of them here, you can choose none so that it will return to the normal thing, or you cancel it, or you come and undo. Okay, that's about the effects. Then in crop, this is crop. When you press down, the other part will be gone. Okay, so you can take only this one and move it around. You've cropped it. Okay, flip. You want to turn it vertically, to turn it horizontally. That's about flip. Then animate, to add motions to it. To add motions to it. Okay, That's about animations. Then transparency has to do with the color being fainty or thick. The lesser, the fainter it becomes. Then the more, the thicker it becomes. Position. You can choose it to be at the left, at the middle, bottom, center, or right. You can take it backwards. Okay. You can bring it forward, take it to back, to front. Okay. The Canva is yours. Do with it whatever you want. Then nudge. Nudge has to do with step-by-step motion of it. It will help you to place it very well on the line that you want to. Okay. Then all these ones go into their websites directly, so you don't need them. Okay. You can lock it so that it will not shake again. If you lock it, you cannot modify it again unless you unlock it. Okay. All right. This is about it. Let's take a look at a text. How to work on a text. It's the same thing. You can edit it here. You can delete it. You can duplicate it to become two. Okay. So this text that you've chosen, you can edit them one by one. This one will edit this happy Valentine's Day. This one will edit these things one by one. You can change the colors. When you ungroup them, they will no longer be moving together when you ungroup them. In this sense, you can delete them one after another. Okay, you can delete them part by part. When you group them, all of them will be in the same place. Okay, so this is a text that you can modify. If you want to delete something, it will ask you whether you want to delete that particular one or all of them. If you delete that particular one, it will go. This one, you can edit it, you can delete it, remaining this, right? God first. So let's work on the text. You can choose a font style here. These are different font styles that you can choose. Okay, the font size, increase the size of the text. Okay, apart from the font size, you have the colors. It's black now, but you can actually change it to another color. Okay, this is about the color here. Then the format. It can be as you typed it, or you can make all of them to be in capital letter. It can be underlined, taken to the right, to the left, or center. Then spacing. This line spacing work out when you have two lines. Okay, space between two lines. Then letter spacing will work out on the letters, spaces between the letters. Okay. Then effects is just as we have seen in the other one. Let's go to animate. Yeah, animate just to add motion. That is the animate there. Okay, it's just a simple thing. Transparency has to do with the thickness of the color, or whether the color should be faint. Okay, this is it. Then position, we've known what the position is used for, we've known what the nudge is used for, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can work on it. Okay, let's go to the effects. Let me show you something there. This is a text. These are what the effects look like. So these are the effects. These are the effects. Then in the shape, you can make it to be curved. Okay, dot first. It's now curved. Okay, why is it this way? Because of the type of format that you used. The type that you used here. Okay, so anyone you choose determines how it's gonna be. So these are the things you can do with Canva. Okay, so what you have just to do is to design it the way you want. That's just it. That's just it. Design it the way you want. So thank you for joining this class, and do have a lovely day.